I have a daughter that is 8 years old, so let me assure you I'm no stranger to mermaids. Mermaid toys, mermaid books, mermaid candy, and quite recently, mermaid sunscreen. Although I admit the Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel UV SPF 50+ in 01 clear, there's also 02 white to enhance paleness and 02 green version that features Centella asiatica leaf extract did not come to me by my daughter's recommendation. No, in fact was mentioned for years now under almost every sunscreen review I did as a great choice for oily skin and perfect to wear under makeup. But when you look at the website, splash, feel as fresh as mermaid princess, I can't help but wonder if it isn't marketed more towards my daughter than it is towards me. Seashells and glittery packaging aside, what is there actually to say about the product? If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well-aging. Powerful yet delectably moist, smooth gel without that roughness or stickiness characteristic for most sunscreens, also serves as makeup base. The product comes out as a gel cream but melts into the skin like water when you start to spread it out, absorbing almost immediately. There is no noticeable scent, which is a relief. After seeing the packaging, I was somehow expecting something kind of floral sweetness. Sunscreen is always the last step in your routine, and in my opinion, the Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel is best used for office days, as it isn't water or sweat resistant and doesn't lend itself for outdoor activities for that reason. It really makes for a lovely makeup base, and despite claiming to be delectably moist, doesn't add too much extra shine to my face. It isn't matte either, but after setting for a few minutes, it is less glazed donut than some of the other Asian sunscreens I have tried. Its biggest strength, though, in my opinion, is for reapplication. As much as we all know we should do it, I'm the first to admit that adding another layer of sunscreen on a hot summer's day isn't exactly comfortable with many products out there. The Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel, similar to Biore Aqua Rich UV Essence or the Misha Essence Sun Milk, is one of the products that are an exception due to their refreshing texture. The filters are a mixture between organic, aka chemical, and inorganic, aka mineral, featuring both zinc oxide and titanium dioxide for UVA and UVB2 protection, as well as octinoxide, UVB protection, Uvinul A+, UVA protection, and Tinosorb S, UVA and UVB protection. The mixture makes for a nice broad spectrum protection. Additional skin beneficial ingredients are hyaluronic acid for hydration and arginine as part of the natural moisturizing factors, as well as a few different plant extracts. According to the website, 85% of the ingredients are beautifying. Well, I'll let you be the judge on whatever that is supposed to mean. Yes, I would repurchase Canmake one, as I usually have a dedicated sunscreen for reapplication in my purse. In my opinion, this will work for all skin types, except maybe those with rosacea. Well, will depend on your individual triggers. If there's anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram blog and Patreon account in the description box. See you soon. Bye!